Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Today, I'm going to take you through my setups to trade crypto without using any indicators. Just a little bit of math. I do trading on a calculated basis. It's similar to DCA, but it's my own unique style, with each trade being different and each entry point equal more value. But yes, that's just my way. There's no right way. Everyone have their own unique styles, and this is one of my styles. My aim is going to be to trade eventually 100 coins like this, and it will give you the idea and the indication of how I'm doing it and what I'm doing. So hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned. Let's get going. Alright, the first coin we're going to set up is Ethereum, which I'll be trading against BUSD. All the coins you're going to see here today, I'll be trading against BUSD. I'm trading it against a stable coin because I'm putting a unique amount of money towards each coin. Now first what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a trade, putting in my starting amount, and from there I'll indicate on where I'm moving and what I'm doing. So let's have fun. Ethereum BUSD. My first trade is going to be $10 and I open it on the market price. Go. We can just say buy ETH. As you see, my ETH has been bought, and we bought it at 174045. We'll go back to trading view and we'll put my first line in. At 1740.45. Now that was my entry. And my current entries I'm gonna make yellow. Immediately, since I have my entry point, I'll put a limit order for a sell with 2% profit. Profit, and I'll put that line up there, and this line will make red, knowing this is where my sell orders are. And that's 1775.53. We'll go back and we'll put in the sell limit order immediately. 1755.53, and we will sell the sell limit order 53, and we'll sell $10 worth because I'm trading to increase my Bitcoin. Wants us to go a little past. Why doesn't it want to work? Alright, I'll fix that. I know what's wrong. But let's get to the rest of the orders. Now, from the start, the first line down, or my first limit order, is gonna be 2% down. There we go. We'll make that green because that's my first limit order. And now I'm gonna add limit orders from there. My second limit order will be 5% down. And then we're going 9%. $14. go. Let's see, the next one is up to 20. And as I go down, all the green lines is where I'll be adding limit orders if the market drops. Doing this setup and with the different prices on each trade, which I increase a little bit, the total value I'll be investing per coin is $265. So I've set the amount, a solid amount aside for each coin, and that's the amount I'll be investing. Now, as you can see, I got basically 8 trades that's running. That means the market has to drop 35% to fill all my orders. Will it still drop 35% from here? I doubt it. But you can always add 44% and 54% is your next 2 trades if you do want to add them. But currently, I'm just going to add the current prices. Now, what I'll do is, we can do this, take that away, make the screen a little bit smaller so you can see where the prices is on trading view, which I'll be adding to make it nice and clear for you as well. We'll take this away. And we'll take these away as well. I can take this one to there. There we go. Now, as we start entering our limit orders, you should be able to see them nice and clearly. The next one is 1705.69, and that's going to be a total 12.61, and there you go. Now you can see all our entries as they start coming in. And this is my setup. I got quite a few different ways which I'm trading. Unorthodox. Yes, a lot of people won't agree with my entry points, but due to the fact that I'm not using any indicators, I'm just trading on math. Simple math. The market goes down, you devalue, yes. But the benefit of crypto, in my opinion, is you don't lose until you've sold in a minus. So I'm happy with the way I'm doing this, which way I'm structuring. It's been working for me for a very long time. I'm just sharing it with you now. So we got our first 3 in. 1526.73. The next one is going to be 50.68. I even calculate my own unique way each amount I put into the trades. Everyone is going to have a different or similar way they're doing it. This way has been working for me, and it might be working for you as well. If you don't like looking through the charts and sitting and watching all of them, this is the ideal opportunity. To build something, you just put a certain amount towards each coin you're trading, and you let it run from that. As the market goes up and down the entire time, you can benefit from it. Yes, it's a little bit hands-on doing this kind of trading, but it's fun and enjoyable. And the last one for Ethereum, and then we're all set to go. And there we go. My Ethereum is set up. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to use TradingView, set myself alerts. If the market drops towards the certain coin and needs a trigger, I'll get it alerted. So let's go to the alerts. We'll cancel the current ones I have available. As you can see, I got two going for Cardano and Bitcoin as I'm using the 𝙦𝙤 as well. Now I want to set myself up two alerts here for Ethereum when they're crossing the value of 175.53. If it crosses this value, I want to get alerted because it took profit and means I need to reset my entire setup. And the second alert is if it crosses the 1705.69 mark. If it drops down here, it means I need to set a new sell limit order for my next profit, which will be at the 1740 mark. As the market goes up and down, it will generate me profits as well. If it goes down, it's buying. If it comes up and it hits a green line every time, it's selling for profit. So this is my Ethereum setup. My Ethereum setup is up, prepared, and running. Now let's see. The next one I'm going to set up is BNB coin. We'll get to BNB coin. Let's clear the chart so everyone can see nice and neat what's happening and how I'm doing it. If you're watching, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll do live updates every time I need to change something or redo something on my charts. There we go. So now we're going to go to BNB. We'll make it smaller. There we go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to buy BNB on the market price. Just going to buy a little bit more to make sure I get that order in. So BNB has been bought on 260.71 cents. Let's go to trading view and we go to BNB. So BNB, our first order is going to be at 260.71. This was our buy order. We'll make it yellow. We know where's the entry. And the first thing we do from here is we add the profit, the sell order. There we go, a sell order. Put it in. We'll make it red, knowing it's our sell limit orders. And then from there, we're going to move down. Our first one. Go. That's going to be our first trade, first limit order. And from here, we'll add the rest. It's 2% from here. Going down, the next trade will enter if it drops 5%. Let's see. 5%. The next one is 9% down. So there's a little bit of maintenance this kind of way, but using TradingView, which I will leave a link in the description, makes it easier because all you need to do is set alerts, you know when trades come through, and the biggest benefit of doing it this way is you have a set amount invested into each coin. It's not like buying a coin and it goes the wrong way. You've invested the amount in the coin and you know exactly how much you've invested. So if it does go a direction, well, you've allocated the amount, and that means you can just keep on sticking to the strategy. As it moves in between the lines, up and down the entire time, you're making profit. If it goes down too low, you can just keep it because the moment it turns around and moves up again, you'll profit yet again from it. And like I said, My entry points will be a lot different to people doing technical analysis, which works as well. But this is just a unique way for me that's been working for me due to the fact that I'm trading crypto, and in my opinion, the major coins you can't lose unless you sell in a minus. If you're willing to hold on for the long term, you'll see profit. See, got our orders in, and now all we can do is we can add the Binance chart again. Let's take this and away. Can bring this way. We'll do this, and we'll make it a little bit bigger so we can put in our entry points. We're going to do our sell limit order first, and that's going to be on an amount of 266.00, and we're going to sell $10 worth there. Put in the sell order. See, did it put in our sell order or not? Right, put in sell. It is greater. We'll just make it like this. There we go. Now, as you can see, wait, I put it in the wrong place. Let me just redo it. Sorry about that. 266. I did do this. There we go. Our first sell order is in. Let me bring the charts over here. There we go. Now we can just add our buy orders. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, and a unique way, a lot say. Go. Pull it up. You can see it clearly. And you can recalculate the amounts you invest. You can recalculate the percentage differences between each trade. There's no standard way, there's no set way to do it. Find a way that works for you. I found a way that's working for me. I've watched a lot of people. I've taken bits and pieces and learned from all of them. And doing this, I've gotten to my way, which I'm trading and which is working for me. And that's why I'm sharing what I'm doing, because what people have shared has helped me as well. I'm probably be adding a few coins or a coin or two each week. So make sure you stay tuned. Hit that like and subscribe button, because it could make a difference and help you as well. After BNB, I'm going to add one more coin for today, which is XRP. Will they win the lawsuit or will they lose? What's going to happen between them and the SEC? Binance coin, which we're currently working on. I just see massive potential for this coin. It just keeps on moving, and the usage makes a massive difference. The more usage a coin had, in my opinion, the better, because if it gets used, it will keep on gaining value. Go. There we go. As you can see, my Binance coin is set up and ready to go. All we need to do now is we're going to add 2 alerts as well. If the market goes up and hit my sell order, I need to be alerted because I need to restructure it. If the market goes down, and it's my next green line, I need to know to come and put in my new sell limit order for profit, and just move my lids. As you can see, Binance coin all set up and done. And now for the last coin of the day, XRP. Let's make the screen nice and clear. There we go. It's clear. We're in. We'll make it smaller as well, so it's visible. XRP will do this. Bring it this way. We'll take the order book I don't need, so I take it out. There we go. And now all we need to do is start it off with an open trade. We've bought XRP. Our trade history said we bought it on 52.28. We'll add that in here. Our yellow line, and it's on 52.28. There we go. Our first entry is set. Now we'll set up our take profit. 2% up. Put in the take profit line. That's going to be our first limit order. And from here, we're just going to add the rest of our limit orders if the market does go down. Go. We'll make that green. We know where they are. And I did forget to put the 2% one in. We'll just add that one. That's in. Our 5% mark is in. I'm going to add 9% now. Go 9%. Then 14% drop. We go, our 40% line is in. The next one will be 20%. Then it's 27. And our last one will be all the way down to 35%. So trading this way, I'm setting myself up if the market moves down 35%. If it goes up and hits my first sell limit order, I'll restructure it. It's a unique way. I'm only investing $265 on each coin, meaning that's a set amount of dollars because I'm trading a stable coin against the crypto. And that amount I'll be using for the rest of the time, unless I add more trades, which at currently stage 8 trades is enough for me, but further on I'll probably add more coins. Using this structure, and the more coins you can be able to trade, the bigger the profit and the gains. Right, let's start adding our first limit order. The sell limit for the coins I've already bought, that was 1050 worth. Our sell limit order is in, and now we'll just add our limit orders, buy limit orders. or add all of them. Go. Setting them up. I've actually drawn myself out an Excel sheet knowing exactly my percentages which I like trading and the value of each trade. Everyone is going to have a different amount they would like to trade with, so their amounts per trade might differ. Everyone might have a different percentage way they want to set it up. There's no right way and there's no wrong way. The guys who use technical analysts, they'll say I have wrong entry points and it doesn't work. But yes, for me it's worked all along and all the way so far. So I'm not complaining about it. I'm just doing the way that fits me and which I like. And it also feels like a safe way of trading, doing it this way. Because I know what amount I'm invested in each coin. And if the market doesn't go my direction, the amount that's invested is a solid and stick amount. And like I said, if it does drop lower than my last order, I can just add orders and keep my limit orders in. So there we go, ladies and gents. All 3 coins are set up and ready to go. Now, it all depends on the market. If the market moves up, I'm taking profit. If the market moves down, I'll be adding more sell limit orders. So either way, I'm in between and my funds is going to work for me. Final thing to do is set alerts for XRP. If the market crosses 5336.5336, I'll get the alert and I know I need to restructure my entire setup because I've taken all my profits. If the market drops below 5128 and I get my alert from TradingView, I know I'll be needing to add a new sell limit order and take it from there. Appreciate your time. Leave me your comments and concerns. Tell me what you think. This is my way of trading. It works for me. Hope it does for you. Have a great one. Binance and TradingView's links will be in the description. Enjoy.